Oh, join us for another Facebook Marketplace adventure. 89 Ford Festiva. Here you go. We're driving back from Parkville, north of Baltimore. We just came through the Harbor Tunnel. She found an 89 Ford Festiva on Facebook Marketplace. Went and checked it out. Guy was super nice. Test drove it, and she made a deal with him, and now we're driving home. Neat little hatchback. It's got a roof rack on it, 4-speed, stick shift, 89,000 original miles. He said the motor was rebuilt. She started up great. Purrs along. We've been doing 50 plus on 95 South just fine, I think. So we'll do a walk around video when we get home and I get the GoPro. I forgot to bring the GoPro. So, but cool little car. Did you almost die?
Yeah.
It looks smooth from here.
Yeah. She's really smooth.
Just the wheel was shaky? Like at 55 plus?
At 55 plus, I mean, you could let go and she'd still go straight.
Yeah.
But this is straight.
She looks funny going down the road, but she looks cool. So the guy that we met off Facebook that had the Festiva, very cool guy. He was restoring the Winnebago that I showed at the beginning. He knew a lot about these Festivas. He had had the motor rebuilt. He added a Volkswagen carburetor that he made the adapter plate for himself. He had worked on a couple of the suspension things. He mounted the roof rack, which initially looked a little janky as it was just like screws through the roof, but he actually took the headliner off and had those screws go through the braces, the horizontal braces, so that roof basket isn't going anywhere. The VIN plate on this is actually a Kia VIN plate, and I learned a little bit of history from them. Ford actually had the Festivas built by Kia in South Korea, but it's actually based on a Mazda design, so kind of wild to have an American car built in South Korea, a Ford American car built in South Korea, designed by Mazda. Kind of neat. Oil pressure gauge, tachometer was added on. 89,000 original miles. Just a neat car. A little moldy, little gross from sitting. We still have to clean the inside. We already ordered some shifter bushings because the shifter's real sloppy. And there's a little cult following for these things, which is always fun to see and always fun to talk and meet people that are infatuated with some older model little tiny car. It makes it a lot of fun to work one, mess with, drive around. So far super cool, super fun, super funny going down the road. So we like it. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment, drop a like, subscribe if you feel like it. Have a good one. We'll have another Festiva video up after we clean the interior. We'll do a video doing the shifter bushings. We'll have to jack it up, have it on jack stands. It'll be uncomfortable and hilarious. So, see ya.